with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. I want to talk with you about delegation again today. Learning to delegate opens you up to more challenging, more meaningful work. Frankly, my friends, you got to learn to master delegation. When you do get around to mastering delegation, you're going to notice that you've maximized the success that you can encounter. And simultaneously, you're developing more talented leaders around you on your team. That's what makes it such a terrific idea. So whatever you do, if you're new to management, if you're an emerging leader and you're just figuring this out, make delegating a priority. Make it your top priority. This is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. We'll see you next time.